I'm so excited to show you my new listing today at 1391 Peach Blossom Lane, located in Dogwood Park Estates, which is this awesome little neighborhood right in the middle of Osage Beach. There's a cool swim dock in the cove on this side, and there's a community dock on the cove on that side. They've got a mix of cute little houses in here. I want to show you this one. You're going to love it. I don't want you to miss the lower level of this house. They have done a lot of work down here. There's new flooring. They blew this wall out. They put in this laundry room. There's another bedroom and bathroom down here, and the huge family room. For more information or book a private showing, contact me, Susan Ebling, 573-216-1233.